Quick tour of these cymbals. This is a 15 or so inch Constantinople. Sorry, that's upside down. These, I believe, are made in it's probably about 100 years old or so. It's pretty heavy. It's probably part of a pair. As you can see, it has a huge slice out of it, but it's very smooth and well done. Bottom of it is amazing. That's amazing. Signatures. I don't have a... There you go. I don't know if that means anything to you. Let me know if it does. Maybe it goes this way. Maybe it goes this way. I don't have a top on it because my sleeve top that goes on the stand doesn't fit inside that hole. It's pretty small. So, I've never played it like this before today. This is a 20-inch Zildjian '60's, I'm going to assume. Stamp. As you can see in the shadow there, this has really, truly incredible hammering. Where's the stamp? There we go. Of course, it's upside down. There it is. If you know what that means, let me know. This one is a 20. So on the bottom of this, there is some tape residue that I just cleaned. Flip it for you quick. Again, I've never played this without a sleeve, but it does have a slight keyhole. Cleaned a little bit of tape residue off there, but it still is super green and brown and crusty, and the hammering is truly... Can't see it as well as I'd like for you to see it, but there, see that? Again, somewhere in the 1900 grams range. It's beautiful. This 20-inch, 6 rivet holes. This cough is brutal. Stamp. If you can see the stamp. If you know what that means, please do tell. This has a little scratch on it. Can you even see that? Yeah. Obviously means nothing, but it is scratched. It's not cracked or anything like that. Under it, super green and gross.
You got it down here, Lily.
Okay. Again, keyhole on this one.
Where are the shelves for this, Dad?
They're upstairs, bud. Keyhole. And then this one has a little bit of a keyhole as well. Lily, hang on. I'm making a video, honey. Hang on. You can see it there. There it is. Okay. over here. It says like a white around the edge because no keyhole on this one. Because there's I was playing it with JoJo Mayer sticks. I'm sure it'll, look, I can't even see it. Certain lights I can see. But I was playing with JoJo sticks and they turned my cymbal white. There's the stamp. These are super light. I haven't weighed them, but they're super light. Here's the other one. Green, super light. No markings whatsoever. Inside. Outside. Here's this stamp. It's not a good shot, is it? The stamp is faint. It's really just about the best we can do. Sort of faint. The other cymbal on the inside. Super, like they're in perfect playing condition. There's nothing wrong with these babies. They're 60s and just old and dirty and dank. Anyway, enjoy the video that's coming of these beauties.